throw it again.
It's a whiting.
Sick.
Does look like a whiting.
Sick.
It's a good size one too. Come in the gill. Oh, Johnny's on. Nice. That's what we're here for.
Sick.
What's that?
Okay.
Georgie.
Georgie.
Oh no, it's a fat mullet.
Mullet.
Mate, that's a wicked mullet.
There's a school of them there, bro.
Mate, that is a fat mullet.
Big fat one. Whiting.
I mean, a mullet or something.
Another fat mullet. That's alright, keep them coming. Slow and steady.
Nice. Right, you're struggling with him. Yeah.
Big dog. Go on a paternoster. Well done, Johnny.
Fucking sick.
Fucking
Finally.
start getting your stiffy on, mate.
Well, I'm going for a walk, folks, because things have just slowed down so bad. I'm going to throw some baits in some hidey holes out here and see if we can get anything out here. No. Got something out there. Flathead. Is that flatty? Ah, it's only a little one. Bugger. Bugger. That's a better bite. What's this one? King George. Yes. I'll show you in a minute when he's dead, but I don't want him jumping out of this tote bag. That's a better bite. What's that on? Another King George. Fucking sick. Check it out, folks. Sick. Mate. Yeah. Super psyched. That was wicked.
You bastard. Big dog. He wasn't getting away. Slow going today, ladies and gents, but they're good size when we're getting them.
So they're pretty good size, man.
Yeah.
They're the King George I got, folks. I was going to show you, but I didn't want them jumping out of my hands. No, they're good size King George, mate. Righto, folks, last ditch effort, afternoon shift. We saw a nice gutter here, so we're just gonna chuck some big baits in, chuck some lures around. Might get lucky. You don't know unless you try. Looking good, looking alright. slim chances too. Should be able to get a shark or a mulloway, you'd think. Johnny's on a big dog! Shark or a mulloway or something, mate? Hey?
Oh!
Fucking hell!
Yeah, man. This thing's massive. Mate. He's just going out, mate.
That's alright. That's just what it's about, mate. You could be going back and forth for hours.
I think I've got a bloody stingray. I've got a few feet on him. I tighten the drag just slightly. Mate, 18.5 minutes.
Hips are starting to fucking
Yeah, I know.
Fucking lower back.
Just the butt of the rod digging in. It's just a standoff. He's not giving up an inch.
What's that meat now?
Swap you. There you go, folks. We hit the 30-minute mark. We're at 31 minutes 50 seconds. There you go.
He's still not giving much.
Nah. It's stingray, mate. He's buried himself in.
Give a crack.
Yeah. Oh, it's creaking. Everything's creaking. He's like, I fucking live here. I can do this all night. Come on, mate. Keep coming. It's like 3 meters. Just come in and say good day. Yeah, thank you. See? Ask nicely. Yeah.
I think the rod's gonna
I reckon, yeah. Something's gonna go. Mate, that's like
definitely the biggest thing I've ever felt.
more than half gone. 44 minutes, mate.
Yeah, to go, man.
Yeah.
My back needs a rest.
We've got to just tighten this drag, man, and
Mate, don't give up.
whatever it is, it's going to be snapping off, mate.
Nah, we've got to see it.
We're not getting it on the fucking land.
Alright, we're still going, folks. Johnny's getting led down the beach by something big. Keep going, I'm going to run and grab the car.
Grab a water. Water, mate. 50 minutes been at this. Oh, man! I just saw it. Mate, look at the size of that tail. That is massive. This is the biggest thing I've ever caught. Ah! It's so heavy. Mate, that tail's like kangaroo tail.
Alright, folks, we've been at it for about an hour here. Johnny's almost got the stingray in. We've been tag teaming it for about an hour. And there's a barb sticking out there. Might be the biggest thing we've ever seen. Holy shit! That is massive. That is...
80's on a big salmon. Camera's gonna die, so I won't be able to film the whole thing, but there's a bit of action.
Got my revenge, Johnny! How's that one, mate? Not bad, mate. Not bad. It'll do. Try and get a bigger one. Oh. Look at that one, folks. How's that one, folks? Got a bit of shark damage on him. Sick. It's what we want, mate. What we want.